India is a country rich in cultural heritage and art. These traditions are upheld with the diligence of artisans and craftsmen. To empower them and keep our culture thriving, our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has introduced a new scheme called Vishwakarma Yojana on September 17, 2023. Who will benefit from the scheme? Artisans involved in 18 specified traditional crafts on a self-employment basis and above 18 years of age are eligible to avail the benefits on the scheme. One member per family practicing crafts ranging from carpentry to pottery and tailoring to fishnet making will become beneficiaries by registering the Yojana or Thittam. What are the perks of the scheme? It provides holistic support offering free training, toolkits, interest-free loans and more. The beneficiaries recognized as Vishwakarma gain access to various incentives including skill enhancement, modern equipment usage and financial assistance. Share this information to Dhobi, cobbler, barbers and any other traditional artisans you know. Artisans can enroll by visiting their nearest CSC center and verifying contact and Aadhaar details. Registrations can also be done by downloading the PM Vishwakarma digital ID and applying for scheme benefits. The future of our cultural diversity lies in the hands of our skilled artisans who have held on to their family traditions and passion. The scheme will go a long way by lending them a supportive hand, by equipping them with the right set of modern skills and opportunities to flourish on their fields and keep their art alive. For more details, visit the website pmvishwakarma.gov.in. Do follow Zebu for more such contents.